Tiniyak ng Malacanang na hindi titigil ang pamahalaan sa pagpapatupad ng reforma para sa patuloy na paglago ng ekonomiya. Ayon sa palasyo, dodoblehin pa ng Administrasyong Aquino ang pagsisikap para maramdaman ng bawat Pilipino ang malagong ekonomiya. Si Elena Luna, ating tagapagbalita.
Ang naging magandang takbo ng ekonomiya ang dahilan para maging positibo ang pananaw ng Pilipinas sa higit pa nitong paglago ngayong taon. Sinabi ito ng palasyo matapos magdala ng 6.1 GDP growth ang Pilipinas sa taong 2014.
We note the stellar performance of the Philippine economy that posted the second fastest annual gross domestic product or GDP growth in Asia last year at 6.1%. According to the National Economic Development Authority, the growth for the fourth quarter of 2014 was recorded at 6.9%. And such growth was broad-based as all of the three major sectors, namely agriculture, industry, and services, showed positive and robust growth.
Sa performance ng ekonomiya sa last quarter, nakabawi ang bansa sa naging economic slowdown sa third quarter ng taong 2014 dahil sa mga kalamidad.
The impressive fourth quarter GDP growth was also buoyed by the significant hike in government spending, especially during the last 3 months of 2014. We affirm NEDA's projection that the country's economy will gain further traction this year as the economic policies and strategies of the government to achieve sustained and inclusive growth are bearing fruit.
Ayon rin sa kalihim, hindi titigil ang gobyerno sa pagsulong ng mga programa ng pamahalaan.
The government shall remain vigilant against external risks that would undermine the gains of the economy. We will continue to work towards enhancing the people's faith in the bureaucracy and their support for government's efforts to attain lasting peace.
Sinabi naman ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda na sa nalalabing 18 buwan ng Administrasyong Aquino, dodoblehin ng gobyerno ang pagsisikap na maramdaman ng bawat Pilipino ang paglago ng ekonomiya ng bansa. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.